and my journey I'm gonna show you. And thank you so much. We can see here over 1300 subscribers on the channel now. That means I'm closing in on becoming a YouTube partner. Yes! So we start from the beginning here. I started 2 days before New Year 2023, 29th of December 2022, and you can see here 0 subscribers from several days before I got my first subscriber on January 7, 2023, and finally 5, and then you can see here 8, and finally we get 2 numbers. Fast forward, and we can see in March we are 20, and on actually, see here, May we got first 100 subscribers. And then I started more with the YouTube Shorts to gain some more subscribers. So working with this, the YouTube Shorts, and from summer it's working much better, gaining some traction here. We are up to 300 subscribers, 400, and then 500 in November 2023. You can see still a slow growth. So 750 in February 2024, and finally 900 subscribers just some days ago. Then I posted a YouTube Shorts that got viral with almost 500 subscribers in 2 days. So that's why we are here. And to become a YouTube partner, you also need 4,000 watch hour in the last 365 days, and we can see here it's 2,951. So we are missing over 1,000 in watch hour. The best way to grow here is to do some YouTube long videos, hoping YouTube will push it out. So if this video gets pushed out to maybe 10,000 people in the, like 100 days, maybe we are closing up in getting 4,000 watch hours. I don't think YouTube is gonna push out this video because I ain't good enough yet, but I'm also gonna do some YouTube stream, and I'm gonna play some old games. I'm hoping some people will watch that as long as possible to help me get to become a YouTube partner. So this is the shorts I made. I will turn down the volume because then I can have it on the long form video. And all I did is there is a voice that's telling Simon says, what you knows, Simon say, gonna fail or something like that. And what do you want for Christmas? And it's only 12 seconds long. And that got pushed out to a lot of people. As we can see in the analytics, 6,400 views and 496 subscribers before it flatlined. That makes me a very happy man. And before that pushed out, I also did the same with texts. We can see here, you will lose this game of Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, like this video. Simon says, subscribe to me. Simon says, tell me in the comments, what do you want for Christmas? This one, we can see, has not been pushed out, only 121 views and 4 subscribers. But maybe YouTube will push that out in a week, in a month, I don't know. And I also want to thank you for, I don't know all of you that subscribe, but there are some channels that is open, like in Essence. Thank you so much. And this channel, I didn't know subscribe to me. Of course, I'm gonna subscribe back. And everyone that I see is trying to make content. I also want to to support to get towards 1,000 subscribers. It's I like supporting small channels because I'm still a small YouTube channel. So thank you all. So I have made 3 videos about Simpsons Tapped Out, how to cheat, and they are what have got the most views on my long form videos. So 2 videos with over 2,000 views and 1 with over 1,500, and I'm very happy about that. So the other YouTube video I made have not gone out anybody, so but I understand that it kinda sucks, yes. I also have a Norwegian talking YouTube channel that actually is in the YouTube partner program, and just a little bit more subscribers, almost 1,500 now. But the long form video also there don't get any views, or maybe they got like 50 to 100 before they flatline, so almost nothing. But I'm gonna still work on the YouTube videos because I think it's fun, and also like to try to become a YouTube partner in the Norwegian YouTuber. So that's a goal I need to work on and make better videos. And you can also see here it's text from Vid. That's also by its has a markup Vid auto text there. So first time for me to use that in a long form video. I hope that will work. And I just want to say thank you all for supporting me, and I'm gonna copy up myself here just because I can in OBS Studio. No practical meaning, just that it's fun, and everything that's fun you have to do in your life. If you want, it's fun, you should continue, and I think YouTube is a lot of fun. And thank you so much.